Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, is all I can say after riding Velocicoaster. Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort, everyone, and today is a very, very special day. And you know I had to get a brand new mask for this very special occasion. I am here at Islands of Adventure for the annual pass holder preview of the brand new Jurassic World Velocicoaster, which opens up on June 10th. Now, Universal Orlando is doing annual pass holder previews from May 2nd, which was yesterday, all the way to May 5th, I believe. May 4th, May 5th, something like that. I can't remember, but maybe it's because I'm way too excited to go try out this brand new ride. Wow, I can't wait. There she is right behind me. I am so pumped to ride this brand new ride here. I was here for opening day of Hagrid's. Now I get to do the preview. I will be back for opening day, and I can't wait to ride this ride. I've been waiting so long since I got the reservation, and I can't wait to take y'all with me. So unfortunately, I will not be able to film on the ride, but in today's video, I'll give you a full queue walkthrough, show you some of the new merchandise that has come out for Velocicoaster, and then at the end, once I'm done riding it, give you my full review on this brand new ride here at Universal Orlando. Wow, I know I keep saying I can't wait, but I really can't wait. Let's go ride it. So everyone, we still have about an hour until our preview time, so we're heading over to the Jurassic Park, Jurassic World area right now, and I'm gonna show you guys this huge hidden gem that just opened back up in the Jurassic Park land. Let's go check it out. Camp Jurassic is the hidden gem. I'll show you guys inside. So Camp Jurassic here, everyone, is kind of like Tom Sawyer's Island at the Magic Kingdom. Just a big kind of walk-through playground and some really amazing views of the theme park. Like, look at this view of Velocicoaster and even Hogwarts in the back. Crazy views here at Camp Jurassic. I think it's time to head down some of the slides. Let's go have some fun. Oh God. Oh, this slide's tiny. Oh. You get a really cool view of Velocicoaster right here. Let's wait and see if it goes. There it goes. Just a little bit more and we'll be on it. So now we've entered this dark cave. And there's more caves once we get out of here, which is really cool. Actually, we're not getting out of here. Yeah, look how pretty this is inside, everyone. Such a hidden gem here in Islands of Adventure. What the heck? That is so cool. That is 150 times better than Tom Sawyer Island, so make sure to check it out the next time you're here at Islands of Adventure. It's a lot of fun and a hidden gem. I will tell you this, everyone, it is a very, very hot day today here at Islands of Adventure. Sweating my butt off, but we are about 20 minutes away from our preview of Velocicoaster, so I'm gonna give my little prediction of the ride, and then I'll flip the camera over to Emily and have her give her prediction. From what I've heard, this ride is amazing. I think it's definitely gonna be my number one. I think it's gonna beat Hagrid's, just from what I've heard so far. I've heard the ending of the ride is crazy. I think it's gonna be 1,000,000 out of 10, so I can't wait to go ride it. Obviously, after the ride, we will give you our full review of the ride, the queue, what we thought. But yeah, here's Emily's prediction. So what do you think about the ride? Think you're gonna like it?
Probably. But I also get scared really easily, so I'm scared I'm gonna get scared of the raptor like jumping out at you. At least I think that's what happens. But I think at first it's gonna be like a slow, like, oh, whatever, little roller coaster, and then something's gonna happen, and then it's gonna get like intense really quickly.
Do you think it's gonna beat Hagrid's for you?
Yeah.
For sure?
For sure.
Alright, let's go ride it. Also, Emily has her Jurassic World fit on today. She got a brand new shirt.
I did.
Has the,
right at the store.
Indominus Rex on it. She bought it today when I bought my mask. So we're fit for the fit for the show.
Yep. We
made it through, everyone. We are now about to ride Jurassic World Velocicoaster. And the entrance is right there. Oh, I'm pumped. Oh, I'm pumped. And there she is, everyone, the main entrance to the Velocicoaster. Ooh, I can't wait to get inside. All right, everyone, let's head inside to Velocicoaster. All right, everyone, now we're gonna do a full queue walkthrough of Velocicoaster. Here we go. Oh my God, everyone. go, everyone. Oh, this queue is already amazing. The music? Emily's scared of the music. I think we're getting close to the raptors.
You go first.
I'll go first. This is where it shoots off, Em.
What shoots off?
The roller coaster.
What?
This is where it shoots.
Oh.
The ultimate state-of-the-art safety.
I thought you meant like it shoots out at me. I was like,
Hold on.
nope.
Magnificent creatures in a way areas
Oh my gosh. That was the coolest thing ever.
developing the foundation of this groundbreaking paleo-veterinary science that was designed and developed right here in order to formulate a complex game plan for how to properly care for and maintain these magnificent animals. And now, you can take advantage of the opportunity all this provides to see these raptors in thrilling close.
Here we are, everyone. The raptor room. So cool. Here we go, everyone. Into the lockers.
I'm so nervous.
Hello and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. In addition to the important safety guidelines in effect throughout our parks, we have implemented attraction-specific procedures for the health and safety of our guests and team members. Be sure to maintain a minimum of 6 feet or 2 meters between your travel party and other guests. As you approach the boarding area, please follow the instructions of our ride attendants for specific seating assignments. Hand sanitizers will be available for all guests prior to boarding the attraction. As a reminder, all guests are required to wear a face covering during their visit, which includes while experiencing this attraction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask one of our Universal team members. Thank you again for your attention. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Velocicoaster.
And the park tickets in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. We'll be going through metal detection.
So everyone, we're about to go into the lockers and put our stuff away. We will see you after the ride. Here are the lockers, everyone. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, is all I can say after riding Velocicoaster. Holy crap, let's go talk about it. So everyone, before we get to talking about Velocicoaster, here is a little gift shop they have set up here downstairs in the Discovery Center with your typical Velocicoaster merch, pens, masks, all sorts of stuff. Let's go check out some of the merchandise back here. Some little plushes, some action figures, and then in the back here they have all the stats of Velocicoaster, but let's go talk about it. Wow, everyone, just wow is all I can say. As a first start, overall, 1,000,000 out of 10 roller coaster. Definitely my favorite ride by far. What about yours, Emily?
100%.
Just the queue was absolutely insane. One of the best queues I've ever been through. From the start where you see the raptors and the lights going off.
Before you get inside, like the outdoor, how you
The
can
atmosphere.
see like the ride
Yeah.
come down on the side of you, and then like the palm trees are really pretty.
And
And you can see the raptor, like when you're walking over
yeah,
to the raptors on
and
the
the
side.
I don't know if I can't remember if the fire. I don't think the fire was on.
No, I don't think the fire was on.
But yeah, from that point in the clear glass, you can see when it makes a big drop, and then obviously once you walk into the queue, like I was saying, it's phenomenal. 1,000,000 out of 10 job to Universal Orlando for their team members putting that ride together. Literally my favorite ride here at Universal.
Same.
And let's keep going on into the queue. Keep going through. You get to the point where you sit there and you watch the coaster just shoot off. So you literally get to watch the coaster take off, and then as y'all saw, the little raptor took off after it, and
Like
we were
chasing it.
yeah we were in a wrong section. One of them stopped and like looks at you. We were at the end of it where you saw its tail smack the glass, which is really cool. And then from there, you go to another room where it has the pre-show stuff. Obviously, there was no one in line, so we didn't get to watch any of the full pre-shows. Obviously, opening day, we will be there.
I think that Chris Pratt is supposed to like talk to you and like.
Yeah, he's definitely going to be in
but
there
he
somehow.
wasn't. We didn't see him.
But then you go through a little. I made a quick clip of it. I will clip it right here. There is some really cool Easter eggs in the Velocicoaster queue from some of the actors that have played roles in the movie. And then from there is when you go to the actual raptor room, where you see the raptors in the cages, and they shake and they move, and they hiss and they.
And you're definitely way closer than I thought you would.
You're like
I
on
thought
it. There's a
was,
little
like,
fence. There is a
afar.
little fence from it, but like.
Like you could probably touch it if you
really,
tried.
if you had long arms, you could definitely touch it. And then from there, you go to the lockers. Now, the really cool thing about the lockers is the lockers are double-sided. So when you enter the locker room, you put your locker or your stuff in the locker, and then after the ride, you end up on the opposite side. That way, you take your stuff out from the other side. That
I think
way,
that's like the smartest thing to do.
literally one of the smartest things ever because it doesn't cause all the commotion. And you have to wait in so many lines and wait for people to put things in their locker, take things out.
Yeah, usually the people who are waiting to put things in their lockers are waiting for people to get things out of the locker, so it's just like chaotic. But that was like the smartest,
One of the
smoothest
smartest things.
ever.
And now that we are at the locker standpoint, we couldn't film past then. But some of the coolest things while you were going through the
Really
security,
cool
really cool,
posters.
like almost like vintage type of posters for Velocicoaster, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. Some really cool things. Obviously, you guys couldn't see that, but if you're gonna ride at opening day, you will see those. And then from there, you get on the ride. We were in the back row, which I will tell you, insane. So
My
next
butt
time,
was never on that seat.
the next time we ride it, we're gonna do front row. My butt was out of the seat. Our butts were out of the seat the literal whole time.
And the way that the seats are, like your feet aren't touching the ground, and the lap bar goes over you, but like stops
Yeah,
at your
it stops
hips.
at your hips. So you're
so
holding
like
on
your
like this.
legs just like feel like they're.
I'll
like,
insert a picture. There
free-falling.
is a tester outside of the queue. I forgot to film that, but I'll insert a picture of me right
Yeah.
here. But yeah, from there, you turn a corner and you sit. It's almost like rock and roller coaster. You kind of sit and you're waiting for it to take off, and all these like in the raptor cages around you are starting to shake and shake and shake. Spoilers, if you guys don't want to
Yeah.
watch, or if you guys don't want to watch or
Spoilers.
listen to the rest of this, thank you for watching. But yeah, so the raptor cages start to shake around you, and there's like, you know, there's screens, so they're not like animatronic raptors, but they're looking at you, and then all of a sudden they take off, and you see it take off, and you look, and you just literally
go.
take off. You go up, around. You guys seen the coaster. Blah blah blah. You do all that.
Random raptors.
Random
kinda
raptors
on
are like, but
rocks.
they're like, you're like, oh, like they're there, like
No,
they're
like, they're,
right
like,
next to you.
close
Like
to
you
you.
turn, and like I
Like,
swear, like
whoa.
your face is gonna get bitten
Yeah.
off. And then after that is when you go around and you shoot off and you take off to the big. That was insane. It's high. It's high when you look at it, but I think it's a lot higher when you're at
When
the
you're
top
up
because it
there.
slows down. You literally can see everything.
Everything.
When I say everything, you see everything, and then you
So
just
cool.
drop quick, and then right there, my butt lifted off the seat.
Yeah.
And literally, I think my favorite part. Emily has a different favorite part than I do.
Oh.
My favorite part of the ride was the going over the water.
Hey, that's
'cause-
my favorite part.
No, you told the guy your favorite part was the room when the raptors took off and you saw the.
I meant in the queue. That was the queue.
So, my bad. Our favorite parts was just going over the water because, like, you're fully
Like your butt's
upside
not
down.
on the
No,
seat.
you're like, you're lifted
so you're
up.
just staring at the water, but
And,
your
like,
butt's not on
obviously,
the seat.
it's high off the water where you can't touch the water, but like you feel
You're
like the water's like
close.
right here in your head. Like
Yeah.
it's insane.
It was so cool.
An amazing roller coaster. We will be back for opening day. Technically, we have another AP preview on Wednesday, but we both have work, and my sister will be in town, so we won't be riding it that day, unfortunately. Which is okay. We would love to give it away to some people, but
I
you do
know.
need an ID to confirm your
You can show
name.
your ID, your pass holder, like
Yeah.
card, and your confirmation. Like
Yeah.
they checked all three of those things.
Yeah.
Like, they're not messing around with these AP previews.
Not messing around at all. Yeah, like she said, not messing around. So we wish we could give it away, but we can't. So it kind of gets put to waste. But the thing
Yeah.
is, the nice thing is, I was expecting it to be a little bit of a wait.
And we walked right on.
We were,
We
as
didn't
y'all
wait for
saw,
one single
we didn't
thing.
wait. I mean, we personally like looked at things and like took our time through the queue so that you guys could see it. But
But like everyone did, and there still wasn't a
they
single
say
wait.
single wait. We walked right in,
Not
and they
for the
have
lockers.
no. It's it's amazing. Amazing job by Universal. Maybe we'll see if they give Jurassic Park River Adventure an update to Jurassic World. I really hope.
I really hope so.
But overall, this is my favorite ride here at Universal Orlando. I do love Hagrid's, don't get me wrong, but it's just different. Like,
I think Hagrid's is more of like
a themed ride.
A theme, like
this
you
is just
stop
thrill.
a lot, you look at things, there's a lot of things to look at, where this is just like an intense roller coaster. Like there's nothing else more than just like an intense roller coaster, where like Hagrid's is
a themed ride.
A themed ride for specifically Harry Potter.
But it's insane.
Yeah.
What was I gonna say? Crap, I forgot what I was gonna say.
If you don't like roller coasters, I don't know if I would recommend this, because like I love roller coasters and I was lightheaded after that.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know. More or less intense than Hulk? More intense. I think
you go upside down.
You go upside 4 times, the guy said.
But I think you go upside down more on Hulk, but I think you go faster on Velocicoaster.
Oh, you definitely go way faster on Velocicoaster.
So I think that's what makes it more intense.
And when you guys look, like, I know when I first, like, when we saw it testing, like, I watched the ride and I was like, it doesn't seem that fast. Like, it looks like, you look at the launches and it looks like it's gliding.
Yeah.
Nope. You're on that thing and you just go, 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 and it's over like that.
Yep.
8 out of 10 job to Universal. Favorite right here, like we said. Can't say it enough. If you get the chance and you love roller coasters, this will be your favorite roller coaster by far. It's my new favorite ride here, actually, in all of Orlando. I'm gonna put the stamp on it. I'm gonna put the stamp on it.
Wow. More than Rise of Resistance?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a big one.
I think it's more thrilling. I mean, it's more thrilling.
It is more thrilling, but Rise is more themed, and you love Star Wars.
I know, but I think
it's so hard to compare. I couldn't do that.
You can't compare them, but you know, it takes the cake. Velocicoaster.
I think it's better than like any roller coaster at Disney. I think it's hard to compare roller coasters and themed rides.
Yeah, it is.
Like,
but
it's my favorite roller coaster in Orlando, but it's not my favorite ride because there's so many themed rides that I love more.
Which makes sense, but I'm keeping my stamp on it. Boom.
Okay,
Best
impressive.
ride in Orlando. Opening June 10th. If you'll be there, we'll see you there.
Yeah, we will. Bright and early.
All right, everyone. I want to thank you all so much for joining me here at Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando for the annual pass holder preview of Velocicoaster, an amazing ride that Universal has just built, opening on June 10th. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, let me know down below in the comments if you think you can conquer Jurassic World Velocicoaster. And this Sunday, I will be going to Legoland for the very, very first time, so make sure you have those bell notifications on to be notified whenever I post that video. Coming soon, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.